This has been a long time coming. I have wanted to do this for a while, but I've never been ready to do it. But we're here. And now I feel like I'm ready. I'm basically moving out. But anyway, that's besides the point. Here is my uni room tour. I feel like that's gonna look horrendous. Where do I start? Where do I start? This, surprise surprise, is my door. I love how it's black actually. I feel like it just looks really cool. Anyway, I'm starting here because I feel like it's a good starting point. Solid starting point. But as you come in, you look forwards and you see my picture wall. This picture wall, honestly, I've been building it up. Can't tell you how much I love this. Obviously we have like band posters. Got this one for my birthday and these two I found on Etsy. And then I added these, which are just from the Urban Outfitters zine, which is free. They like just have this newspaper on the side sometimes and you can take it, and I just put those up. Then all these little photos are just photos that I've taken and I printed off with the Snapfish 50 free prints a month thing. And then I've got Vogue posters like these and some drawings that I've drawn. A little collage up there. I love this so much. I love how crazy it is, but also it works somehow. I think that's kind of like why this all works, is because it's so maximalist. I've then got my shoes lined up. I literally wear maybe those two pairs and my slippers, which I got when I went to hospital. And I was like, oh, maybe I'll keep them because they're actually quite cozy and kind of cute actually, despite the fact they're kind of grandma vibes. But then I am a grandma at heart, so that makes kind of sense. My mum's shoes that I borrowed, a couple of pairs of trainers, and those crazy girls. I then have like this stack of canvases here, just because sometimes I feel like I want to paint. Well, actually my friend gave me this round canvas and I was like, that is actually so cute. I want to be a classic Pinterest girl and paint a disco ball on it because I'm not original. So that's what it looks like as you walk in. I'm gonna go this way, I think. So I've got a bag of fabric there. I take fashion design, it'd be weird if I didn't have a bag of fabric. I've actually got bags of fabric literally everywhere. It's kind of shameful. It's like fabric that I've just cut other things up to get fabric from. Well, that's besides the point. Whilst we wait for this to focus. If your head's ever cold, I have a stack of hats here. And a scarf actually, neck as well, on my mannequin. This is because I made loads over Christmas and I'm selling them on Depop and Vinted and eBay. I've sold 2 so far. So if you want one, I'll link them in the description. I've also got some kind of questionable leg warmers. But I kind of love them, but I've had nowhere to wear them to yet, but I want to wear them at some point. My wash bin, we won't focus on that for too long. I found this in Primark. It's a bath mat, but I use it as a rug just because it's cute. And I have like all my storage under here. I got like paint and stuff and wool and all my craft stuff in there. But yeah, that is where I sleep. That sounded kind of creepy. I have this cushion on it, which isn't my favourite cushion. I think I bought it when I was like 13 when I had like a mega Zoella phase. I kind of want to create a cover for it, but at the moment it kind of fits because of the green, so I just kind of left it. I usually have a blanket on my bed, but it was dirty, so that's in my wash bin. Then I have these 2 Alexander McQueen posters. Let me give you a little backstory of these. We went on a school trip with uni and they gave us a tour of behind the scenes Alexander McQueen, and when I tell you I literally fangirled the whole time because I'd done projects on them and I saw all the garments that I'd like been looking at for inspiration for years. I was like, oh, it was better than seeing any celebrity, except we also did see Ollie Murs on that trip. That was unexpected. It was really weird because I was like, I feel like I'm going to see a celebrity today, and then we saw Ollie Murs. He's like a big celebrity, which was crazy. But yeah, these 2 posters I got when we were there for free. They just handed them out. I was like, I'll take them. I'll put them on my wall. I'm kind of upset because they're kind of crinkled. Then I have my sunset lamp, which makes so much difference. Like, it creates this lovely pink light. Without it, it's kind of dark in the corner. But I just think that's so cute. And I got my books and my CDs. And then I've got these 2 posters, which I've had a while. I got them in Brighton, actually. But I love them. They're so retro and cute, and it's like... And then, oh, I just realised I lost one of these. Obviously the free shot of Jaeger that they hand out at the start of the year. I had a lot of these. And then these bottles I've just kept because they're really cute. I drank that one. I haven't drunk that one yet. I'm kind of scared to drink it because it's pear flavoured and I don't know what to put that with. And I've got this little thingy, which is so cute because it's obviously buying fresh flowers is not an option. So this is perfect because it adds a little something something. I then have all of my fabric. I say all. There's a bag there as well and a bag over there and some in the suitcases. But fabric and craft stuff in here. It's just so easy to stuff in there. My mum did it at the start, I just haven't moved it. Then we have my little vision board and a Jaeger lanyard, obviously. Then this is like one of my favourite areas. Like I actually love this bit so much. Unintentionally again, made it maximalist and it just worked. I got like books here, a few Vogues that I use for collage, some random glass jars that I for some reason attached to and can't get rid of. Then I've got things on my wall. I've got like designs I've done, I've got little postcards people have sent me, previous artwork I've made, little cards from shops and small businesses. These are just like cards that I have. I went into my friend's flat the other day and she has one of these and I thought that was pretty snazzy. And then like these posters, I had these frames before, but I've just torn out pages from Vogue and put them in there. This is like one of my, that felt weird, one of my prized possessions. My CD player. It just plays music so loud. It's kind of crinkly when you play it. And it kind of doesn't sound crisp, but it's Have my notebooks, my jewellery, a few more pictures, same way, they're just Vogues in there. Oh wait, that's weird, you can see me in it. Hey. Yeah, so I've got my big disco ball and some of my like coffee table books I've got there because I do not have a coffee table. I just store my work up there. And I put a load of fairy lights in this jar. Ugh. Yeah, there's plant dirt up there and it's not mine. Should clean that. Ew. Anyway, I've got my spinny chair. I've never had a spinny chair before. Never ever. Never ever have I had a spinny chair before. That's actually so cool. Yeah, now I do. I spend more time on that than actually doing my work. Also, just want to say I am of age for drinking in the UK before I get cancelled for this. But I've got drinky poos down there and then another bag of fabric and some marshmallow hot chocolate dippers. This corner I also really like. My coats and stuff and bags. Then I got 1 meter Peter. That is the name of this plant. I didn't name him, so I can't take full credit for that. But he's about 1 meter tall, and I wanted to name him, so my flatmate was like, let's call him 1 meter Peter. So that's what he's called. Then this little one my mum got for me. And then obviously I have my wardrobe. I'm not going to open it because it's a bit of a mess in there. I was going to say, I promise I'm not hiding bodies, but now I feel like I need to show you no bodies in there. Okay. This is the fit. It's kind of basic. Oh, also there's this balloon that I blew up in November and it's still up, which is ridiculous. But she just floats about my floor because otherwise I get existential having an empty floor and it saves me from having to cover it with my clothes. There's something I need to unpack there. Anyway, my mirror. Now I've got my bathroom in here. I'm not going to show you for too long because I feel like it's kind of weird to show you my bathroom. I have had these stored for years, but I don't use them. They just look cool. This is like the stuff I use, cleaning stuff down there. My bathroom mirror. Also, yeah, blue as well as pink and green is wild. And red. Crazy. And then I've got my shower. I'm not going to show you it too close because I can't lie to you. I cleaned it the other day, in fairness. But it's not the cleanest. But yeah, that is the room. I literally love this room so much. I'm kind of sad that I'm moving out soon. I mean, I've still got a few more months, but I feel like it's getting close to the end because we've got Easter and then like a couple of weeks after that. I just wanted to document it, mainly because I love how it looks. And then also, I want to be able to remember it, show my kids or something. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you next week. Bye. Bye.